In this video, I'll guide you through how to create email campaigns in HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newcomer to digital marketing, setting up an email campaign in HubSpot is a straightforward process. HubSpot is a powerful tool that allows you to reach your audience effectively. And today, we'll break down this process into easy to follow steps. First, you want to start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you've logged in, navigate to the top of the dashboard. You'll see a main menu bar at the top of the screen. Look for the Marketing tab. Hover over it, go over it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This is the central hub for all your marketing activities within HubSpot. From here, you'll want to select Campaigns. This section is where you can manage all your marketing campaigns, giving you a comprehensive view of what's going on with your marketing efforts. Now that you're in the campaign section, it's time to create a new campaign. Look for the Create a Campaign button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and HubSpot will prompt you to enter the details of your new campaign. Here is where you can start to see your campaign take shape. The first thing you'll need to do is give your campaign a name. This might sound simple, but it's an important step. The name you choose should be descriptive enough for you and your team to understand what this campaign is about at a glance. Think of it as the campaign's identity. A good name can help you stay organized, especially if you're running multiple campaigns at once. Once you've named your campaign, the next step is to add your email. In this section, you'll be able to create the email that will be sent out as part of this campaign. HubSpot provides a user-friendly email editor that allows you to customize your email with text, images, and links. You can also personalize your emails to make them more engaging for your audience. Remember, a well-crafted email can significantly impact the success of your campaign. After setting up your email, it's time to schedule it. In the scheduling section, you can choose the date and time you want your email to be sent. Timing can be crucial, so think about when your audience is most likely to check their emails. HubSpot also allows you to send emails at different times for different time zones, which can be incredibly useful if you have an international audience. Once you have everything set up the way you want, make sure to review all your details. Double-check your campaign name, email content, and schedule to ensure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, hit the Save button. This will save your campaign and all its settings. Saving your work is crucial to ensure that all your efforts are not lost. And there you have it. You've now set up an email campaign in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can ensure that your email campaigns are well organized and effectively reach your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to dive in and start creating more campaigns to hone your skills. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your marketing journey with HubSpot.